Hey, this is Mark, markgps.com, and we are at 880 East Sunny Dunes Road today. This is an open house, and Pat has this open. I'd like to thank Pat and Arlene for letting me get this video so that I could send it to you and take a look. There's their information, listing agents. So this is $1,399,000. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bath. This is actually the exact same build as Dunes Court. Dunes Court is a collection of homes that's gated. It's just down the street behind me. This is Sunny Dunes. We're looking west right now. It's kind of a windy day up north, but nice and calm here. The difference on this is this owner wanted to have a Dunes Court home. That's what's directly in front of us, and 5-car garage. So there's a 3-car garage to the right, and then there is a 2-car garage to the left. The 2-car garage, sewer lines on the other side of it. It's already a structure. This could become a casita or ADU really easily, which would be really nice. So the pool is here. It's kind of in this great little courtyard. It's going to have very nice views. And then this taller structure is your main living area. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you around through this gate and into the living room. This is the other side of the 3-car garage. And they lived here full time. Apparently there are 50 solar panels. You can see the 3 Tesla batteries. So this thing is really set up well. This is a bedroom on this end, and then there's bedrooms on the other. And Pat's sitting here waiting to be a star. Oh, look at the man. He's trying to get away. So here's the living room. You can see the setup with the fireplace and the views, which are really, really nice. We have multiple fans in here. And then you have the pool. This is great. I like it a lot. As you come around, you're going to see the kitchen, which is set up with a really nice marble and setup. You have the dining room off to the side. You have the hallway that's going to go to the bedroom that I was pointing out as I was coming in. That's actually the front door there that is open. I came in just through one of the sliders. We'll continue doing the wraparound so that you can see the whole layout. There's Pat in the distance. And then we're going to have the dining room. I didn't really highlight that. But so your dining room is, very kind of formal and by itself. You could open it up if you wanted to go to that room there. But here's your kitchen. Nice setup, all nice appliances. There's an orchard behind you. It's all citrus in the backyard that goes that way. And you can see some mountains out to the south when you go that direction. And now we're going to go through the den. The den opens up to the pool. So this would be, it's a big office for this person, but it would make a really great family room with TV, which would be really nice. And then you're gonna come through to the primary bedroom. So this is your main bedroom. It's got a nice big setup. This is a king-size bed. It opens up directly onto the pool, and you can see out to the motor court. So there's a lot of room here. You really can have a nice thing. It's got ductless, an independent. Hi, markgps.com. If you've got questions about real estate. I'm trying to say that it's got a split system, and I cannot do it. 2 vanities. The bathroom does have a door that goes outside so that you can get to the pool. You're going to have views of the mountains from the shower that is here, and then you have a nice walk-in closet. So I think this is, as I said, it's a really good setup. I really like these homes. It's great to have this. A lot of people ask about Dunes Court, which you cannot do any rental out of. This is an individual home, so if that was something you wanted to do, you totally could do it. And now we're going to go across to the other side, and the other side is going to have this bedroom here and bathroom off of the hall. So here's our hall bath, double vanity. You've got the bathroom, and this goes Jack and Jill over to the bedroom. So that room that I went through that I was saying is the den, that's actually going to be your 3rd bedroom. So the 3 bedrooms are set up kind of that way. Nice closet over here. As I look back, you're going to see where I entered, and then the actual entry door. You know what? The dining room was a bedroom. That's how this worked. The dining room originally was where the bedroom was. And then the den is where you would put the dining room. Bingo. I'm finally remembering how it was from Dunes Court. All right, well, that's pretty much it. I'm going to call it done because we got more people coming in. It's Mark, markgps.com. If you've got questions about real estate, and take care and have a great day.